Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Eshan and welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, I produce finance related content on this channel. So it could be Forex, it could be freelancing, it could be investing, anything like that I post on this channel. But the main reason I did start this channel is to document my financial journey, and in this case, my Forex journey. So if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And today's video is all about why I personally think just learning a Forex strategy just won't cut it, you know? And I'll be going into depth about that. But before we do go into the video itself, I'm personally thinking of doing a Q&A video so you guys can get to know me a bit better. So if you guys are interested in doing that kind of video, make sure you do drop your interest in the comments down below, and I'll be putting my Instagram as well so you guys can follow me and ask me these questions. So yeah, that's that, and let's just get into the video. So to explain why I think learning just a Forex strategy won't cut it, I want you to know a bit about my story. So when I started learning to trade, I went onto the internet, went to YouTube, and I just typed in, Forex strategies, and the type of strategies that came up were support and resistance, break and retest, Fibonacci retracements, double bottoms, double tops, all that kind of stuff. And I did learn it. And when I went to the markets, like demo trading, there were good trades, bad trades. But for me, I learned a double top, right? And when I put that in the market, I didn't really understand why I was losing trades. And when I won the trades, I was like, okay. So there was a bit of confusion in my head, and I never found consistent profitability. And when I joined guerrilla trading, this kind of changed, and I understood that just learning a Forex strategy just won't cut it, because there are many factors that come into trading. Now, one, I have finally understood that each pair acts differently. So how can I expect to just learn a strategy and then implement that across all pairs in all situations and expect it to work? It just won't, right? So yeah, I finally understood that certain, let's take a double top, right? A double top is basically where, let's say you get a bullish move, it hits a level of resistance, comes down, hits that level of resistance or just below it again, and then drops further. That's like a reversal pattern, a double top. So what I've realized now is that a double top, let's say in EU, will work in a certain circumstance in comparison to, let's say, AU, right? So by backtesting, which is like something that I've learned in Guerrilla, backtesting thoroughly, really understanding what types of, let's say, double tops, in my case, because I'm trading guerrilla trading, but what type of bombs, bullets actually work in certain scenarios for each pair. So I've finally understood that, just learning a strategy won't cut it. I got to understand what types of double tops, bombs, bullets, whatever it is, works for each pair. And the second thing is actually understanding how a pair moves. So what I realized was, once I understand how a pair moves, then I can understand that a double top, let's say, is just less probable in a certain situation, because let's say I understand that, let's say it pulls up, pulls down, then pulls up and breaks that level with a wick. I'm not going to see a push up. I'm more likely, let's say, just say for a pair, to see a range, right? So why should I take a buy in that situation? Does the pair move better in the New York session? Does the pair work better in the London session? These kind of things have to be thought of and then implemented in the market. Having a plan in trading is very key. Just learning a strategy and going into the markets without a specific plan for that strategy is just not going to cut it, you know. So that's where backtesting comes in. And, you know, let's say you guys know the break and retest, you know, break and resistance comes back to that new level of support and it bounces up. You got to see in what scenarios that would work. It won't work in all scenarios. So that's where, you know, backtesting and having a checklist before entering a trade is key. So after joining Gorilla, understanding these factors, you know, just learning a trading strategy would be too easy to, you know, master, you know, the markets. You got to do more than that. You got to learn the strategy. Plus, you need to understand how a pair moves, and then you have to understand how the strategy works in a particular pair through backtesting, and then you can feel confident and go into the market. So, yeah, that's just my take on what I personally believe to get profitable in this market, and why just learning a strategy just won't cut it, you know. So if this helped you in any sort of way, make sure you do smash the like button. Comment down below if you have any other questions or any other suggestions for a video. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the content, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys.